Welcome back. Yes, I'm standing because I'm rushing. Mind your business. I'm not rushing to a market. I'm actually rushing to a taste test. So, and then I have a market directly after. So that's why we are making haste. Hopefully no waste. So we're gonna start off with this. It's the first day of October, so I'm trying to do like some darker themed items. This is gorge. Love how this came out. Yeah. This one is mine. There's a bunch of crap going on the table because I was busy crafting. This one is mine. It's a trinket dish or a sage hole. Oh, that's gorgeous. Actually, I'm putting this on the table because it came out looking more orange than anything. Yeah, going on the table. What else? This. Let's see how this came out. Oh, why did I put that there? We're gonna clean that off. All right, come on, please don't cut me. Oh my gosh. I need to get an aerial view of this because, oh wow, yeah, that's sharp. This is why I fill them to the edge. Shake it to the max. Okay, let me try a different way to get this out. I should have did this one first, but here we are. I think it might be good though, but I gotta take it out. Oh graciousness. I just need one more hand. One more. Oh my god. Yep, I got cuts. They're subtle, but I got them. You can see it. That's why my hand them chamba for people who are wondering. Why my hands always look like I be doing hard labor. This is the hard labor I be doing. Take this off. Actually, let me take these out. I know I like to do the harder ones first, but that might actually get left. So, ooh. Okay, so this looked like it wasn't gonna look like this when I was doing the mixing, but yes, a nice little white trinket dish. Okay, yeah, cute, with some gold freckles, gold foil and gold dust. And this is another holder. I didn't put any thingies on the bottom, which I'm bummed about, but I could add it afterwards. But yeah, this came out good. Another white and gold. I just lost some of my holder thingies, my hole makers. Now let's try this again. Come on. What is, I thought something was crawling on me. It was resin. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is just gonna chop up my hand. Just like crab me up, so like, oh my god. Like, I would like to not have to put on a band-aid today. I should use band-aids when I'm taking these out so it'll buffer the damage. I know y'all can't see what's happening, but here we go. Okay, hard part's done. Oh my gosh, this looks really pretty though, I'll tell you that. Oh graciousness. Oh, that's gorge. It was well worth it. Yeah. All right, I gotta clean this off because this is obviously not going on the table like so. But actually it can. But yeah, make my way back around. Set a little bit because now I'm sweating. But yeah, so we got 2 trinket dishes, smudge stick holder, soap dish, and a shower steamer rest, and we are off to the market. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Thank you so much for watching this unmolding. Wait, it's not how it goes. With everything you do, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.